fix Messenger, you can't message this account problem. So if you want to fix Messenger, you can't message this account problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Messenger. Now, if you get this message, like for example, if it says that you won't be able to message this person, or if it says you can't message this account, then it means that the other person might have deleted their account or deactivated their account, or it may also mean that they have blocked you. So check if they have blocked you or if they have deactivated. But if it's not the case, then what you need to do is just simply go back and then tap and hold on to your Messenger for a few seconds, and then you'll get this kind of interface. You need to go with the app info section. Tap on app info, just roll down, go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go back, open up your Play Store. From Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Messenger, Facebook Messenger. Once you find it, if you have any updates on your Facebook Messenger, you just simply go and update it. After updating, go back to your Messenger and you won't find that problem anymore. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.